Are you constantly feeling slow and worn out? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple, everyday solution to combat fatigue? Here's the thing. Fatigue isn't just about lack of sleep. It's your body's way of waving a white flag, begging for a little TLC. So, let's talk about some home remedies that'll have you feeling like you've just guzzled a gallon of energy, minus the caffeine crash. Hydrate like a pro. Tired of feeling parched? Let's quench that thirst. Start your day with a refreshing glass of water spiked with zesty lemon or cool cucumber. Your body will thank you. Fuel your body. Don't let those sugar cravings get the best of you. Reach for a handful of crunchy nuts or a juicy piece of fruit instead. Your body will love the balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and natural sugars that'll keep you energized all day long. Breathe deeply. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a deep breath. Mindful breathing can help calm your mind and give your body the oxygen it needs to feel refreshed and focused. Sip on herbal tea. Need a pick-me-up? A warm cup of peppermint or ginger tea can do wonders. These herbs have a natural, invigorating power that'll leave you feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Embrace the sunlight. Feeling a little down? Step outside and soak up some sunshine. The natural light can help boost your mood and regulate your body's internal clock. Inhale the aromas. Want a quick mood boost? Diffuse essential oils like eucalyptus or citrus in your space, or apply a few drops to your wrists for a subtle, energizing scent. Move your body. Feeling sluggish? Get up and move! Even a short walk or a few stretches can help boost your energy levels and shake off that tired feeling. Conclusion. By incorporating these simple home remedies into your daily routine, you can naturally boost your energy levels and feel more refreshed. Remember, a little self-care can go a long way in combating fatigue.